Hey guys, it's your girl Carol. Welcome back to my channel. This is Carol Suggests, and on my channel we talk about perfect side hustles to do with little to no money starting off as a beginner in making money online, as well as affiliate marketers who are brand new and beginners in affiliate marketing who needs step-by-step guides, click-by-click guides to show you how to set up accounts, your websites, or to connect other stuff together, all of your accounts together. That way you can start seeing money and see the money flow through. So thank you again for joining me. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, and click the now notification so that we can continue on with our content. Thank you so much for joining me again. If you do have any questions, there's a comment section below. Feel free to give me some feedback, or if there's any videos you would like me to do on a step-by-step, click-by-click video, just let me know in the comments below and we'll get to it. All right, so jumping right in. Today we are going to be talking about AWeber. What's AWeber? AWeber is going to be your autoresponder, okay? This is where you're going to do your email marketing, and this is where you're going to have your emails on autorespond to be able to reach all of your audience that you have in your emails with simple campaigns that'll just automatically go out to them, okay? So AWeber, I use AWeber, but of course there are tons of other kind of autoresponders that you can use. There's also GetResponse that a lot of people like also. Those are the two right now that I know of, but for AWeber, I'll leave you a link in the description below. That way you have instant access to it. And then with the GetResponse, I can make a different video and then leave that link in that video then. All right, so let's just jump right in. AWeber is completely free for the first, I believe it's 100 subscribers. So as a beginner in affiliate marketing or anything that you're doing to use email marketing, it is great to use just to start off with AWeber for free. You're just gonna sign in, get AWeber for free. All right, it's gonna ask you for your information. You're just gonna put your info right there, email address, and then you're gonna sign up with them. All right, after it's signed up, it'll then get you to the ordering process. Let it load up, and then it'll get you here. Your account has been created. We just sent you an email to the email on how to set it up. Okay, step one is to create your account. Done. Way to go. Second thing, check your email and set up your password. So that's why they send you an email, a link to your email. You're gonna check it to set up your password, and the third step is you're gonna start creating remarkable experiences, which is you're gonna start playing around with it. Okay, so let's go ahead and check our emails. Just a second here. I have a whole bunch of email just so I have backup and stuff. Like I have some too. Okay, look. Oh, got it. Okay, in my email, this is one of my emails that I just use for testing and to like pretty much set up and help you guys find or set up step-by-step videos. This is the email that I use. So if you see in here the AWeber communications, it's your AWeber account is ready. So you're gonna click on that one from AWeber. It's going to tell you, welcome to AWeber, your account has been created. That's your login, carolsuggest.com, whatever email you put in place. And then you're going to click the button below to get started. This is where you're going to do your password, okay? So just enter this right here, which is the email again that you use to sign up. And then any password that you want to use. And then just type it in. Now it'll tell you what you can and cannot use. If it's a red mark, then of course that means that it's not going. If it's green all the way, that means you're clear and good to go. So you're just gonna hit save password. Alrighty. 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 Alright. So again, we'll just save that. Chua. So again, if you want to do the pro, if you think you've got email marketing down already, go for it. It's 16.15 every month, reoccurring. You can try that out. If not, if you're just brand new to this, I recommend the free option because there, a maximum of 500 people, not 100 people. I'm sorry, that was my bad. So for if you choose the free one, it'll give you this right here, just a continue button. Now if you hit this one right here, which is the pro, it'll then ask you for your card information. Again, for the purpose of this video, we are starting off building our business online from scratch, so we're trying to do this with little to no money at all, right? So we're gonna hit the free and continue there. All right, just let it load up. And then you're going to choose your company's name. So, whatever you want your company's name to be, I put my first and last name, so company there. And then, of course, you're going to use whatever your domain name was, you're going to use it in here. Okay, so this is going to be your a website or your social profile, which is going to be your domain. Industry. We are going to look for business services and consulting, but it's really whatever niche that you want to go into. So you just choose it to whatever you are going to be using again, okay? That's on you. That's up to you what niche you want to promote. So it's going to be different for everybody. It's not going to be the same. But this is just me showing you because I promote services and products for the wealth. This is what I'm going to choose. So hit continue once you're done with that. It's going to ask you for your address. Oh, let me just go ahead and stop this for a second. Can I pause it? No, I can't. Never mind. What the heck? Okay. And then you're going to hit continue with that. Okay, so do you already have email subscribers? Of course, if you're just starting out, you're going to say, no, I just started with email. If you already have a list of subscribers that you want to put into your AWeber, you can absolutely do so by hitting the second one. But I'm going to do the no because we are, again, starting from scratch. So don't worry, they'll help you get ready to build an audience, right? Hit the continue. What are your business goals? Now you're just going to choose whatever your business goals is. I want to say mine is going to be grow an audience, sell products or services online, and then share new content, right? Um, like things that in the future that I want to share. So if my YouTube gets bigger, I want to share with you guys my YouTube, I'll send it through there. So just whatever pertains to your niche or whatever pertains to what you're doing, just click on those. You can get multiple. You can click on multiple ones, or you can just do one if you wanted to. And then you're going to hit the continue button. Then you're going to go to the next page, and it's going to ask you for what tools you use for your business. I use Facebook, I use Canva, I use PayPal, I use ClickFunnels, and then there are other things that you can also, any one of these, again, pertaining to you and your niche, just pick whichever one you are using. When you're done with that, click the next button, continue button. It'll then get you to the next screen, which is finally your dashboard. Okay, this is where your dashboard is. It'll then open this whole page up. You have your dashboard on the side here. This is where you click down for messages, where you can do your campaigns and everything. This is where you can add subscribers right here. And that's just how simple steps on how to create your AWeber online for free, starting off brand new as affiliate marketer. Now this right here, you can continue to just go through like all of these right here. It'll give you step by step on how to do it. Just go through that to create them and you are good to go. So that was the video take on how to set up with AWeber your autoresponder. Again, this is for your email marketing, which is where most of the magic happens. So I'll leave a link in the description below. Thank you guys again for staying in, tuning in, and watching my content. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. Help me out here. Give me a thumbs up. Leave comments if you need another video to be done with step by step or click by click. And I got you guys. Thank you again, and have a great day.